In 1969, when the first human footprint was put on the surface of the moon, ordinary people believed that they may travel into space in half a century. But interplanetary travel is still remaining in science fiction nowadays. Visiting exoplanets seems like a distant dream. Luckily, our Earth is so diverse. We are not a multi-planet species yet, but we can look for extraterrestrials in our planet. The average temperature of the Earth is 15 degrees Celsius, the ideal temperature for life to thrive. When I was approaching to the polar regions, the solar radiation was becoming limited. I just felt that I was leaving our thriving planet and entering into a distant floating planet. Isolated on the Svalbard archipelago at 78 degrees north, there is the northernmost human settlement. By comparison, China's northernmost city Mohe is just located at 53 degrees north. This is the Longyear city. Just one day before the polar night comes, I cruise away from Longyearbyen. When I was cruising alongside its fjord, I was witnessing this barren, spectacular frozen planet. There are many abandoned buildings beneath these fearsome cliffs. Since 1596, humans started to visit Svalbard. Some were here for scientific exploration, some were here for whaling and mining. But are their motivations really important? They have proved that humans are capable of surviving this harsh condition and the endless polar nights in this far north region. This is the courage that makes us human. Mars is one of the closest planets to Earth. It is a lifeless planet because it's lacking of water, not even much icy water. But 3 billion years ago, Mars once had a vast ocean. There were rivers, spectacular glaciers, and flowing lava. It was just like the current Western Iceland. In ancient Earth, beaches were black, just like the one in southern Iceland, and western Iceland is just like ancient Mars. Lives had not evolved on Mars yet, but the raw material for life's liquid water was everywhere on Mars. There could be diverse lives on Mars. But 4 billion years ago, Mars lost the precious natural gifts, the auroras. Auroras, or northern lights, are the result of disturbances in Earth's magnetosphere shaped by the solar wind. 4 billion years ago, there were auroras over the Martian polar sky. But since then, the Martian core cooled. Without a magnetosphere, the planet was vulnerable to the solar wind, which clawed away the atmosphere and allowed the Martian water to sputter into space. Winter Iceland may look barren, but it is actually a super habitable world. The early winter Finland Lapland is a pure white world. Ring ice can be seen everywhere here. This is our planet. Forests survive the cold winter, rivers keep flowing even in freezing air temperature. This is the only known planet to harbor life. Finland was cloudy when I just arrived. Northern lights cannot be seen under this weather condition. But when I drove into Inari, one of the sparsely populated regions of this already sparsely populated country, the air temperature suddenly dropped to minus 23 degrees Celsius and the sky became clear. At that night, a strong northern light appeared over the sky of Lapland. According to reports, northern lights were even spotted in northern China at the same date. Those northern lights were so strong as they seemed to be tearing apart the sky of Lapland. But actually, they showed us Earth's magnetosphere that constantly protects every life on the Earth. Due to our limited technologies, I can merely search extraterrestrial worlds on our planet. But I believe that one day, interplanetary travel for everyone will become reality.